So hey guys, it's me Israel. We're back with another video. Sorry for the long wait, guys. I've just been dealing with some personal issues. I will not get into because it's personal issues. So you guys can see, I'm in this Roblox game named B-Swarm, and so basically we're just here let you guys know that we're entering the community of B-Swarm. We're entering the B-Swarm community. So there's gonna be less Blox Fruits content on my channel, and there's gonna be a lot of B-Swarm content, what I mean a lot. We're also planning on traveling, transporting channels next year. So get ready for that. We're gonna be having a new channel on the channel, and so yeah, basically today I'm just gonna let you guys know we're entering the B-Swarm community on YouTube. And so today, you know, it's gonna be a great day for me to let y'all know this. And I'm truly very sorry for not uploading. I mean, I do this like literally all the time, so like you guys shouldn't even be surprised, because I do this like literally all the time, like numerous amount of times. So y'all know, but yeah. So today, before the video ends, we're gonna start doing this whenever we play B-Swarm. I'm gonna give y'all some codes for y'all to go redeem. So let me just give y'all, first code that I'm gonna give y'all is Roof. I'm not gonna redeem it because I already have it. Okay, I'm gonna, just to prove y'all, I don't wanna act like a liar. So Roof, I've already redeemed the code. And Nectar. So yeah, those are the two codes I'm giving for this video, guys. So hope you guys like this video, and continue supporting the channel. And thank you guys for 2 subscribers. Really huge thank you. And so yeah, gonna be doing some B-Swarm content more often, and get prepared for that. And I'll see y'all in the next video.